पकड़, बाइक पकड़, कोई पकड़ रहा।
यहाँ पे डोसा सांभर के साथ ही कॉफी के साथ खाया जाता है।
If this was on my versus, I would have been damn scared. Check this out, man. Okay, it's 5:48 in the morning and we are ready to leave. That's Roshan getting his bike ready. That's Ponsi. This bike's not going out today. We are going to take the adventure. Okay, it's about 6:20 in the morning and we are heading out for a ride to Bandar. And that's Suraj over there. And that's Roshan. We got a few riders at the back and we are meeting some other folks at the Thane Toll Naka. And then another few at the Lodha McDonald's ahead of Thane. The 210 looks fabulous यार. ये color बहुत मस्त लग रहा है. Now I'm suddenly missing my X-Pulse. That's what happens. You're riding one bike, you see another bike and you feel like riding the other bike as well. ठीक है, होता है सब बाइकर को. एक बाइक से तो चलता नहीं है. Everyone, all of us want multiple bikes. And that's how it is. Alright, that's Amay, Suraj, Roshan, and that is Rajesh. साफ सफाई चालू सुबह सुबह. Okay, we've reached the first meeting point and we'll wait for some riders to come over here. अरे हाय तो बोल. ये बहुत काम करते रहता है आदमी. All right, we're rolling and we're going to go to the second meeting point and catch up with the other folks. That's Gauri or Himalayan. That's Ryan and Lisa. Alright, we're reaching the second meeting point to meet the folks from Thane. There's some guy whose chain is broken and he can't move the bike, so we're trying to see if we can help him. अगर कुछ chain अगर निकल जाए तो at least he can push his bike and take it to the mechanic. देखते ट्राई करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ हो गया तो सही है. ये वाला चाहिए था. चलो मल्टी टूल से काम हो गया. ऑलवेज कैरी अ मल्टी टूल, यू विल नेवर नो व्हेन यू नीड इट. एंड चल स्पैनर भी तो था, बट एटलीस्ट वी कुड open his chain casing with a multi tool, and now at least he'll be able to push his bike and take it to the closest mechanic. All right, we're heading out. The first stop's going to be Asan Gaon, where we're going to meet another few riders, where we'll catch up for breakfast and then we'll head down to the main location. We're finally exiting the city. There's a lot of traffic. We got a horrible patch just a few minutes ago, but we've cleared it. There's one more patch coming up ahead. And just trucks here. I mean, you leave a little late ना, तो यही problem होता है. This is Major Akhilesh Guleria. I worked with him a few years ago. I've been after him to buy a bike, and he's finally bought a bike and got into riding. अरे यार, we are again back in traffic. क्या हो रहा है यार? मज़ा ही निकल जाता है पूरा. ठीक है, क्या करें, चल दूसरा साइड पे जाते हैं. Okay, this is Gaurav. I made him buy the Versus and then I sold my Versus. So when I had the Versus, he had ridden my bike and loved the bike. And उसने खरीद लिया और फिर मैंने बेच दिया. But yeah, I sold mine because I found it too heavy and bulky to manage. He's a fantastic rider. वो सब bike चलाता है. With roads like this, ना, you don't need any special off-roading tracks. अपना गवर्नमेंट फ्री में अपने को देता है. हालत देख क्या रोड का. ले लो भाई रोड टैक्स, 40% GST सब ले लो अपने से. ओके, यहाँ पे क्विक शिफ्टर का एरर आया है. So anyway, I don't use the quick shifter, so tension nahi hai. But once you're back in Mumbai, I'll go and get it checked out. There are a lot of cyclists. Arey, look at this idiot on the wrong side, man. Wrong side से जा रहा है पागल आदमी. और क्या बोलने का? It's the breakfast point. But गिन के देखते हैं if all the bikes are here.
तुम्हारी कॉफी साफ हो जाएगा। इसने कॉफी गिराया नहीं है, इसने कॉफी गिराया है। और दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉफी डोसा, स्टारबक्स कॉफी विद डोसा, कॉफी डोसा। यहाँ पे डोसा सांभर के साथ नहीं, कॉफी के साथ खाया जाता है। इसने गिराया, पर दोनों अभी मिक्स करके खा रहे हैं। तेरा हो गया खा के? ये भाई बिजी है। मैं भी हूँ। अरे ऐसे क्या पोज मार रहे दोनों जन? ये फोटो नहीं ले रहा हूँ, वीडियो है। क्या पोज मार रहे हैं?
Alright, we're done with breakfast and we are ready to head out to our location. This is the lineup that we have. Pune guys have reached as well, and we are ready to roll. There are quite a few cyclists we've seen today riding from Mumbai. That's fantastic, yeah. The kind of stamina these guys have. Check this out, man. Beautiful. And when it rains, I'm sure it's 100 times better than what it is right now. This is the beauty of Maharashtra. Okay, so this is a check post and there is an entry fee that we need to pay, which we'll do over here. That's the fee that you need to pay. There's one car, the rest are bikes.
बोला क्या था गौरी?
These tactics
कैसे ब्रो कैसे? अच्छा
Wait. आज करा पुढे जाणार here's the place. If this was on my Versys, I would have been damn scared. Where the hell do we park? This place looks beautiful. This is where we are staying. I don't know where we have to go from. I think from here. You don't come, wait. Oh man, this place looks awesome. Fantastic. So we are staying in these white kind of cottages on the river. Okay.
Thank you.
मैं ऊपर हूँ। आ जाओ।
What's up? I'm recording you. Okay, so this is where we are staying. These are the cottages that you see at the back. There are about 10 cottages, plus there are sites to pitch a tent if you're coming camping. And let me show you the location where the rooms overlook. Okay, look at this. Okay, when you're in the middle of nowhere and you've hit your oil sump on a huge rock, and this is what happens. We're trying to see what we can do to at least get the bike out of here temporarily. बोल और करो. Careful of the stand. पीछे है रोशन, पीछे आ जा. Take a leg back. हाँ बस पकड़, मैंने भी पैर रखा है. और करो. रुक. हाँ चल, मैंने भी पैर रखा है. सूरज, once it goes in now, don't cut it completely. Leave at least 1 centimeter out. रुक कुछ. You want something to poke? एक मिनट रुके. पकड़, बाइक पकड़. कोई पकड़ रहा. पकड़ो, छोड़ो. एक मिनट. इससे ट्राई कर. ये सूरज ये ले. Okay, we've got M-Seal, so we're trying to figure out if we can put M-Seal into it. और M-Seal दो. निकालेंगे. Okay, we just left from the place and heading home. Roshan's bike had an issue, so we've done some temporary jugaad, and hopefully that'll get us at least to a place which has maybe a mechanic or where we can buy oil and just keep topping up the oil. Let's see. Leaving this beautiful view and going back home, and then getting to work tomorrow in front of our Excel sheets and stress. What a stark difference, man. The weekend seems so peaceful in an environment like this, and then you head back to the city and get back to work. But ठीक है यार, काम तो करना पड़ता है. पैसे कमा के राइड्स तो करना ही है, तो क्या करें. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Ride hard, ride safe, but don't be a squid. There is someone waiting for you at home. Signing off.